What is going on, fam? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it is who's watching this video. Back at it again with the fast intros, and I got my dog with me. He's chilling. We're on the way to Andrew's house, and we're gonna be doing some experimental stuff with some drones today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's banger. All right, we made it. We're going to the location right now. We gotta go to Mexico. So we'll be there. On the GPS it says 12 hours, so as soon as we get there I'll let you know. We just got to Mexico. Pretty nice location we got over here. Got the truck. It's warmed up, ready for the race. As you can tell by the title of this video, we're racing a DJI FPV drone versus Duramax. And my lovely assistant Andre right here is about to capture a lot of this stuff. And I'm gonna try and have the camera on the dash, or I might be holding, I'm not sure. We're gonna do a series of races. We're gonna do without sport mode, with sport mode, and full manual mode, no assistance. So let's get right into it. So he's got this camera right here on the tripod. He's gonna be capturing the takeoffs, and then his drone will be capturing obviously most of the race. And it's gonna be behind me anyway because I'm gonna win, so he'll capture the whole thing. How you feel about this race? It's your first race.
Feeling pretty confident. I mean, we've got some really good specs on this thing. Got some new tires on her.
Oh yeah. So, do that again, one more time.
Battery pack adds extra horsepower. About to throw an ND filter on there, extra 60-ish horsepower. So I feel like we can beat this turd. I mean,
it ain't gonna be hard.
I mean,
what's max speed on this thing?
So she can top out at about 89 if you got a good tailwind, probably 99.
Damn, that's slow.
Yeah, pretty slow. But
I mean, mine goes 300.
I mean, it is what it is. But we got a good 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds, so I'm pretty confident that we can pull ahead here and beat this little turd.
All right. All right, you heard it here first. I'm gonna win.
Showtime. Let's start up. She's vicious. Hungry.
It's like about to operate on somebody. All right, let's do it. All right, so race one, we're gonna be doing non-sport mode, okay? And we're probably gonna be racing to, you gonna race to that fourth light pole or third? Probably third.
Should brought some chalk.
Huh?
Brought some chalk.
Oh yeah, we should have. All right, so we'll probably be racing to the third light pole, so that way we're not taking up too much time. And of course, there's a car coming the first. Of course, there's a car coming as soon as we're about to race. It's kind of windy. I might got the advantage. I might have the advantage. It's a little windy.
All right, so we got the drone in the air. I'm lined up with him, and we're gonna get the show on the road. So let's do it.
All right, buckle up for safety. It's about to go down. We got the race truck fueled up. And we're gonna be doing it to the third light pole. All right, the third light pole. All right, 1, 2, 3. Woo, we got there. Smoked them in non-sport mode, but it's probably not gonna be the same results.
All right, so get a wide angle here. Trial number one, I got skunked in normal mode, which was kind of expected for this. I think it hits about 20-ish miles an hour in sport mode, but it was kind of stopping itself a little bit. But regardless of the technicality, race one goes to Itzhamm. So we're gonna go race 2 in sport mode, so let's do it.
All right, race 1 down. Here comes race 2. He's in sport mode, so Probably gonna get smoked this time. DJI ain't nothing to play with. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright. We kind of beat him again. But these are expected, boys. Like, this Duramax ain't nothing to play with. It was supposed to go 80 miles an hour. I don't know what happened. My poor truck probably hates me. It's alright. Alright, third and final race. We're gonna be doing a drag, a little rolling video, and then we're gonna punch it around like 10 miles an hour or so. We're gonna slow roll, and we're gonna see what happens. All right, ready? We lost on the roll. We lost on the roll. It's all right. Oh, shit. Papi. You want Watch your mouth.
You want one more drone shot?
Dang, I never knew Mexico had all these daggone dirt roads, but hey, we're on the way back to South Carolina now. We've been driving about 11 more hours and we're almost there, so we're gonna tally up the results and we're gonna let you know who won officially. Whew. Wow. You know what that water tastes like? That tastes like a win. That tastes like a win for the Duramax, Andrew. Read it and weep, buddy. So on the sport mode, or no sport mode, we took it because it like cut out like 20 miles an hour for some reason. Sport mode, something else happened. We ain't gonna say it's technical difficulties.
I mean, your truck's faster than 20 miles an hour. That's given.
Yeah, right. 500,000 miles on that thing. And then the roll sport, he got me because obviously that thing takes off like a bat out of hell when it's already going. So pretty fun. But if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. And if you like more content like this, make sure you comment down below and let me know. My dog's eating a water bottle. But peace and love. Hope you have a great day.